Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is Pro Photo Effect Mockup. This file for Photoshop, Photoshop CC and CS6 plus version. Okay, these are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime all password in this app. Okay, so here is some preview. Oil painting effect here, watercolor. Wow. Okay, amazing technology. Abstract light, very simple and very easy. Just import your file and press Ctrl S for saving. For example, I open this one. Now we need a image. Double tap and pair your image here. Double click here, and we need a image. Mostly you can use PNG file. For example, I use this one. Control Shift L for auto leveling. Drag there. Okay, Control S for saving. Wow, you see here, and you can more change. Double click. Control S. Wow, here is watercolor. So we need high definition photo. I think this here is technology. Oh no, abstract link. Okay, technology is here. Just we need a face photo. Enter low resolution file. Controls for saving. Wow, same view here. I think I use a high definition photo, for example. Control S. Wow, you see, and you can apply your own or other high definition photo. Now, and I open lost file like this one. Images here, scroll down, double click here, and we need image. Delete this one. Enter Control S. Oh, so you can edit it. Here is adjustment, glasses, drops, and layer 1 or layer 2, depend your own choice. No. I hope these files are useful for you. Subscribe me and file download for this password, for this file password. Okay, for lifetime. Okay, I hope these are useful for you, and download this app for password. I hope these files are useful for you, and download app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.